Okay. Hey guys, Sid from Sid and Molly 111, and as I promised, here I am. Yeah, got my iPod duct taped to my uniform. Right now we're going into battle. Yes, still recording. So guys, here's my gun, and I had to leave my pistol at the thing because we didn't get any gas for it. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Alright, so anyway, we're going to take it stealth. Right. There's some guys over there. Up, looks like some guys came in from the safe place. We got, oh, Reds. Yeah, still recording. Right. Yeah, looks like there's some people coming. Sniper, we got a sniper here. So we're Reds and they're Blues. Alright, let's go up here.
You guys going high?
Yeah, we're going high. Even though I'm no sniper.
Fuck.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Damn. Oh god. This is steep.
Oh.
Bloody hell.
Oh, fuck you down, get up there.
Yep, we're all here. Oh crap. He won't be able to get.
Right.
Sorry guys, just needed to check my iPod was still recording. Let's go try and find some more Reds. Got some in my eye, but I can't lift my mask. Okay. I need a GoPro. Ha! What the hell? Oh, it was just one of those. God damn it. Scared by a plant. Achievement unlocked.
Guys, just push up, guys. Keep pushing up.
They're not really showing any kind of threat. But if those guys got shot, I don't think I want to be there. Oh crap. Let's go up. That's a Red.
Oh, there's a blue in that bunker where that guy was.
Is there a blue in that hut?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. Alright, this gun doesn't have good accuracy. Know that. I need a gun with better accuracy. Alright. Alright, we're going down. Let's go down here. Oh god. Right, we're gonna stay down. Keep it quiet. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna shoot them. I thought it was gonna rain. Wait, we could go on our side. Cool. Godspeed. Up, he's dead. There he is. He wind it up. Alright, I'm probably gonna get somewhere isolated and then call it apart. Yes, I barely did anything today, but in the next part, going over there. So wish me luck, and as always, YOLO.